If you're looking for the best Coursera machine learning path, you're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner or planning to become a machine learning engineer, this roadmap will help you learn the right skills in the right order. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. The first step is to build a strong foundation with the machine learning specialization from Stanford University and DeepLearning.AI, taught by Andrew Ng. This is one of the highest rated machine learning programs on Coursera, with a 4.9-star rating, nearly 40,000 reviews, and hundreds of thousands of learners enrolled. You'll learn supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, TensorFlow, and practical machine learning techniques through hands-on projects. The next step is machine learning with Python by IBM. Once you understand the fundamentals, this course helps you apply them using Python. You'll work with scikit-learn, build regression and classification models, explore supervised and unsupervised learning, and gain practical coding experience that employers value. The final step is the IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program expands your skills with deep learning, reinforcement learning, feature engineering, and a real-world capstone project. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of practical projects and an employer-recognized professional certificate from IBM that can strengthen your resume. Following this learning path gives you a solid understanding of machine learning theory, practical programming skills, and an industry-recognized credential that prepares you for real-world AI and machine learning careers. If you're planning to complete all three programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about mastering machine learning in 2026, this Coursera learning path is one of the best ways to build valuable skills while saving money. If you found this roadmap helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.